我们来看一下 Russia 这道题，大家先把视频暂停一下，用大概30秒到40秒的时间，把整段话呢先读一遍。好，我们来看一下第一部分 ，Long isolated from Western Europe。这里要注意的呢是 isolated。OK， 首先 t 后面跟了 ed， 对不对？有个小小的拖音 isolated。不要读成 isolated， 这里不能读成 t 的，不是，它发的不是 e 这个音 ，OK？Long isolated from Western Europe， 在 e 和 之间 from Western Europe， 这里有个停顿，对不对？逗号，所以这个 p 呢，大家尽量发的清楚一点。Russia grew up， 看清楚时态 ，grew up without participating，without 不要读成了 without。OK，grew up without 这个 t 你可以发出来，非常的弱，或者说做出口型没有这个音。Without participating in shared developments, in shared 不要读成 shared，OK，shared developments like the Reformation， 不要读成了 reformation， 这个不念 e， 念 reformation 或者reformation。Russians 注意复数 ，Russians took pride in their unique culture 不是 unique culture，OK， 很多人会读成 unique culture， 那个两个 k 连在一起 ，unique culture 这是不对的 ，unique culture 这个 k 呢非常的弱，非常的迅速 ，took pride in their unique culture 或者读成 took pride in their unique culture and found dubious value in foreign ideals， 注意这个 l，OK，ideals。好，我们来看一下断句。Russia grew up without participating in shared developments like Reformation. Russians took pride in their unique culture and 对不对？好，断句搞定了。Culture and found dubious value in foreign ideals。所以第一部分呢，单词都很简单，一定要注意这个时态，还有这个连读。单词连读呢非常重要，在 RA 里面。我们来看第二部分 ，as a result 是个停顿，对不对？所以 t 呢一定要发得清楚 ，as a result 不能读成 as a result 是错的。as a result, Russia is the most unusual， 这个 t 非常的快。Russia is the most， 每次我说快的时候呢，不是说你把单词快，很多同学会读成 Russia is the most。OK， 我是说这个 t 快。Russia is the most unusual member of， OK， 连在一起。Russia is the most unusual member of the European family. Of the 这个 the 很快 of the European family. If indeed it can be considered. If indeed，OK， if indeed 这个 d 呢要稍微清楚一点。If indeed 这呢不要读成 it。不是 it can be considered， 是 it can be，OK？ If indeed it can be considered one at all， 连读 at all。好，下面一句 ，This question is still hotly debated。我没有读成 hotly， 我读是 hotly。如果你要把 t 发出来呢，要快一点 ，hotly， 或者说我们读成 hotly 也是对的。This question is still hotly debated, particularly amongst Russians. 好，我们把这一块呢连起来读一下。As a result, Russia is the most unusual member of the European family, if indeed it can be considered one at all. This question is still hotly debated, particularly amongst Russians. 好，下面呢我们把这两部分连在一起读一下。Long isolated from Western Europe, Russia grew up without participating in shared developments like the Reformation. Russians took pride in their unique culture and found dubious value in foreign ideals. As a result, Russia is the most unusual member of the European family, if indeed it can be considered one at all. This question is still hotly debated, particularly amongst Russians. All right, thank you guys.